Wanted to plan my day, but the only thing I don't like about the day designer is they don't have to do this on the weekends, so I had to kind of put it down here. So I don't have too much to do today, but I can't even make it to do this, which like really bothers me, but it's fine. I need to go ahead and do some planning because today's kind of like my Sunday. So we're gonna sit down with our coffee and figure out the plan for the day. So I typically have like everything in my calendar, obviously like weeks in advance because I get my schedule. So I have it right now until like Halloween maybe. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this and then any like YouTube due dates kind of like this week into my next week. I keep it pretty simple. I put everything in pencil the week before to make it easier. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in pen, highlight it, and then just, hi. Oh, okay, someone's vocal this morning. Is pretty simple, and then I will go in week of and do like to-do lists and stuff, but obviously I put like really important stuff on my to-do list ahead of time, but not much. And Monday's my last loan payment on one of my loans, and I'm so excited. So this is kind of what it looks like for the week. It's pretty empty, but yeah. Wanna come up and say good morning? Come and say hi. I don't think you need mama's coffee. You already have enough energy. Hi. Good morning, guys. I haven't like officially said good morning or anything, so good morning. Happy Saturday. Today's kind of like my Sunday though, which is nice. Hi Stella. Drinking that amazing pumpkin coffee, and we're gonna have a really fun productive morning. Matt's sleeping right now. Hi. Matt's sleeping right now, and we have some fun things planned for the day. We are going for brunch with Brooke, which I'm super excited. I haven't seen Brooke since before the pandemic started, which is insane because she's like my best friend, which just with everything going on. And then this morning, Stella and I are gonna go pick up our fall doormat, which is exciting. I wanted to get it from someone local in Ottawa, and I found a girl on Facebook who does like local doormats for like $20. So we're gonna pick that up, and I'll give you guys a sneak peek of that. If you didn't know, I'm filming like a fall decor shop and decorate with me, and so I'm trying to keep most of it a secret, but I'll give you guys a sneak peek and show you our doormat because I'm so excited about it. Already got our planning out of the way, which is exactly what I wanted to do. I cleaned the house last night. I have a video to edit, but other than that, it's gonna be like just a nice morning. I think I haven't decided if I'm gonna bring Stella with me to get the doormat or not. It's like 20 minutes away, and she does need to get used to being in the car, but also I might let her nap. It kind of just depends, so we'll see. But I'm gonna go get that around 10:30. So gonna enjoy my coffee, watch some YouTube videos, just relax, and I'll chat with you guys probably in a little bit. You're just the cutest little bubs in the world, huh? The really nice thing about having a puppy, that's my phone, is that it's 9. I've been up since 7, and I've already got a video edited, and we just have, oh, no, remember, computers are expensive. We don't touch that unless we're gonna buy a new one. Yes, right? Picked up my doormat. I'm so excited. It's so cute. I'll show you guys when we get home. But I think I'm really quickly gonna stop by HomeSense because I have a problem. If you guys don't know, HomeSense in Canada is Home Goods. I want to get a shower caddy because we just have like our shower stuff everywhere, and I just want it to be organized. So I think I'm gonna go and see if they have any shower caddies, a black one. And obviously this is a different HomeSense than the one I went to, so naturally I need to see what kind of Halloween stuff they have. So it's on my way home anyway, so we're just gonna go there. Stella's taking a nap, and she typically naps for about an hour and a half, and the drive here was like 15 minutes. So I might have time to quickly go see if I can get a shower caddy, but yeah, that's kind of like my little update. I'll show you guys all like the fall stuff. It's in my trunk right now until I decorate. So yeah, okay. Super random, but I've never had Panera iced coffee. So I was like, oh my God, let's get a Panera iced coffee and try it, because I've literally never had Panera iced coffee. Hi there, do you guys have cold brew? Yeah. Can I get a medium cold brew with a splash of almond milk? Has anyone else ever had Panera iced coffee? I'm really stoked right now. Oh, Panera iced coffee, a solid 20 out of 10. Who is she? Starbucks, who is she? Drive-through cold brew I've had in my actual life, better than any small coffee shop in Ottawa. It's so good. I got it with a splash of almond milk. I'm not sure if they have oat milk. I didn't really ask. I don't like doing that. And drive-thrus, I hate being like, huh, do you have, what kind of dairy-free options do you have? I feel like annoying. So just got with almond milk, and it is amazing, guys. 20 out of 10. Literally the best cold brew ever. I'm so happy. So we're gonna go inside and do a little bit of organizing. I'll show you guys what we got at HomeSense, Home Goods, whatever you want to call it, and go see the puppy. So I've never been to this HomeSense, and it is literally massive. Holy crap. I'm so excited. Okay, they have so much stuff here. Which one do I want? Okay, I love this one. We'll trade candy for wine. Also, I'm just gonna leave this in my trunk because it kind of goes with the Halloween stuff, but I got this underlayer to go under our welcome mat, and I'm just gonna leave it in the trunk, just there's no reason to bring it in. I have like all my Halloween stuff in here. How cute is our welcome mat? So cute, little sneak peek of my fall decor, but that's our little welcome mat that I got done. Haul, it's not much. Obviously you guys saw the little like under doormat thing, and it's in the car. I got Stella some of these Fresh Kiss cleaning teeth little things for large dogs, so I'm gonna give her one of those. Do you want a treat? A shower caddy, and I found one. I did get the more expensive one. I just like the look of it, and it's deeper, so it can fit our tall bottles of shampoo and stuff. And I'm really going for a black vibe in the upstairs bathroom, so I got black. And then I wanted something to put toilet paper in downstairs because we always run out, and that's like where guests go and stuff. So I got this. It's already done. I didn't even realize that. I just thought it was cute. It just says things, and I could probably fit a few rolls of toilet paper, so I'm excited about that. So we're gonna do that little organization thing. I need to drink my coffee. It literally just fits, but I think it's so cute. Wow, okay, I love it so much. Hello everybody. I look like a human now. Isn't it amazing? Transformation. My hair is very greasy. Let's just not talk about it. Okay, I ran out of dry shampoo, but I'm on my way to brunch with Brooke. I'm really excited. Like I said, I haven't seen Brooke since before COVID. Like, maybe COVID, maybe around March. I have no idea, but like I said, it's taken me a while to like kind of be okay seeing friends again, just because obviously like I was in direct contact with COVID, so it's taken me a while, and I'm just like a little paranoid, I guess, still. And I just want to let you know, I made a tweet about this, but if you are not comfortable seeing people outside of your bubble, I don't want anyone to make you feel bad for that. And if anyone makes you feel bad for that, they're not like a real friend or family or anything. Everyone, you know, is comfortable seeing who they're comfortable seeing, and I just want to let you guys know that because it's happened to me before. And yeah, I just, whatever you're comfortable with is okay, you know, that I'm here for you and I support whatever you do. And yeah, like, I mean, I've really only seen maybe 2 friends, and I mean, now we can be in gatherings up to 50 people, but just because it's allowed doesn't mean you have to be comfortable with it. That's my little spiel. So yeah, going for brunch. I'm very excited. I'm gonna have a mimosa. We're going to Local, which if you live in Ottawa, Local has the best brunch in Lansdowne. So good. So maybe I'll try and get a few clips in for you guys, but I'm so freaking pumped. I see home from brunch, and Pup Naps actually sent us this bed. I'm doing a sponsored video with them, but we just got it in the mail, so we just set it up for her, and she's like smelling it out, testing the waters out. It's supposed to be calming for dogs, but I'll let you guys know how I like it. I'm probably gonna have the review up in like a week or 2, but oh, she seems to like it. It's super furry, and it actually looks really good down here, so she is just getting used to the bed. T-shirt, bodysuit from Dynamite, and then these shorts are the camp shorts from Aerie. And guys, how cute does the little toilet paper thing look? I think it looks great. So that was my little brunch outfit of the day. I had such a fun time. And oh, we need to put the shower caddy together before Matt gets home, but yeah, I'm having such a fun little day. Patty upstairs, and yeah, we just have like stuff everywhere, and I just personally don't like that. And it has hooks, I think, for the loofahs. Oh yes, it does. Okay, let's like, I don't, how do you put this on like that? Stay. I think it looks so much better and cleaner and more organized. I love it so much, actually. Wow.